Today we're going to tackle a common task in Microsoft Word, correcting spelling errors. Whether you're drafting a report, writing an essay, or just jotting down notes, the feature will help ensure your text is error-free. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Word document you're working on. If you're just starting out, you can create a new document and type in some text with intentional spelling errors to follow along. As you type, Word automatically checks your spelling and highlights error with a red squiggly line. This is your first clue that something might be wrong. To correct a misspelled word, simply right-click on the underlined word. A menu will pop up with a list of suggested corrections. From the list, choose the correct spelling, click on it, and Word will automatically replace the error with the correct word. Now, if you want to check the entire document for spelling and grammar issues, go to Review tab in the top. In the Review tab, click on Spelling and Grammar. Word will start scanning your document and show you a dialog box with each spelling error it finds. For each error, you'll have option to change it, ignore it, or add it to the dictionary. Simply choose the appropriate action. And that's all there is to it. Your document should now be free of spelling errors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.